Are you handling MySQL operations in the right way? Here are the top 5 tips for simplifying work in MySQL. Tip number 1, pay attention to character set and collation. If you use UTF-8 as your collation, always use this line to strengthen security and help prevent data loss. Tip number 2, smaller columns work faster. Always adjust the size and values for the columns, as the smaller they are, the faster the database works. Tip number 3, use the explain keyword to determine index necessity. The explain keyword helps to execute your query by detecting any existing problems with your query or table structures. Tip number 4, index the search fields. The SQL index is used for a quick lookup in tables and finding the records you need to enhance the performance of queries and applications. For quick lookups, the index should be small and optimized. Tip number 5, keep in mind the column order for a composite index. A column with less distinctive values should be positioned at the leftmost side of a composite index. The precedence order of other columns depends on the cardinality of the respective columns. To find this cardinality, perform a distinctive count query on the column. Finally, a pro tip. Use no-code automation to simplify data transfers between documents in MySQL and enhance data-heavy workflows with the airSlate Academy pre-fill from MySQL Bot course. Click the link in the description to learn more.